Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You're starting inside Gmail. Sign in with the account that stores the photos. Once logged in, click Compose to open a new message. Make sure you're using Desktop Chrome or Firefox because Drive integrates best there. Then, click the Google Drive triangle icon in the Compose toolbar to access your Drive items. If the icon is missing, open Settings and enable Drive Attachment Access. This gets you from Account to the Drive Picker, so you can choose images without downloading them first. Now you're at the Drive Picker. Navigate to My Drive, Shared with Me, or Recent to locate the images. Once you find them, select one photo or hold Shift or Control to multi-select several. This saves time when sending albums. Next, decide why. If recipients need to download, choose Insert as Attachment. If you want cloud access and permissions, choose Drive Link. Make sure to check the permission drop-down at the bottom. Change access to anyone with the link or restrict to specific people before inserting. Click Insert and wait for the images or links to appear in your draft. You should see thumbnails or drive links inside the message body. Then verify permissions. Use the Viewer/Commenter/Editor menu so recipients can open or download photos. Before sending, preview or send a quick test to another account you control. If images won't load, refresh Gmail, clear browser cache, or reopen the Drive Picker. And if sharing fails, reshare the file with explicit email addresses so access issues are resolved.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.